Okay, so this is the room. I just put my bags in, but actually I didn't go in the room yet. Looks like we've got 2 beds. Oh. Oh. Okay. We got all these things that are not free. Probably cost an arm and a leg. And what kind of view do we get? Well, we got an empty lot, Sahara, and the Strat. But there's the hotel. Oh, I guess we should go and check the, wait, let's look in here. Okay, don't move anything, because if you move anything, you're gonna get charged. That's what I was told. Okay. Yes, now we look at the bathroom. Alright. All on. Okay, well, we're gonna shower. Got a toilet. And we've got a sink. And we've got a pretty good sized tub. And that's blue. So yeah. All right, that's the room. At least it's the first room.